We're here at Bunch Beach Preserve to explore the intertidal zone. Let's go! The definition of intertidal zone is the area of shoreline between high and low tide. Let's talk about the non-living things which we call abiotic factors. Examples are the salinity of the water, the air, the sunlight, the tides, and temperature also. Examples of biotic factors are humans, flora, and fauna. A tide pool is water left behind during low tide. As the water evaporates from the tide pool, the salinity increases. As a survival strategy, some organisms use a tide pool to stay moist. Another survival strategy for some organisms is to hide between the crevices of rocks where it is shady during low tide. Here are two examples of flora and fauna. Here we have algae and barnacles. No extra charge for this information. Here is a desiccated fish which provides food for other organisms. Another example of a survival strategy are these mollusks, which burrow in the sediment and trap moisture. Examples of flora in the upper intertidal zone are different kinds of grasses and different species of trees. One characteristic of red mangroves are these prop roots. We're here in front of some mangroves. Here is a poem which refers to all of the leaves that is helpful. Red, red, pointy head, black, black, salty back, white, white, hold on tight. Yeah. Some examples of flora in the lower intertidal zone are kelp and algae. Some examples of fauna are this shell which once housed a living organism and this crab that washed up during high tide. Another example is this horseshoe crab that also washed up during high tide. I found in the upper intertidal zone, if it was still in the water and moist, it could totally regenerate. Here's some more examples of fauna, a crab and a horseshoe crab. This is a ring-billed gull. These barnacles are an indicator species which can be used to diagnose the condition of an ecosystem. Wave refraction is where where the tide and the waves in deeper water tend to travel faster, but when they encounter shallower water, they slow down and bend or fract, which causes them to come at the shoreline at different angles, as you can see here. As the tide rolls in, the process of life in the intertidal zone continues. Thanks for watching.